Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if this is your first time, welcome. So guys, in this video I will show you all how to flat twist your own natural hair, how to part and also flat twist your hair. So let's get started. First of all, I already moisturized my hair and detangled it. That is why they are in this chunky twist. So I'm going to be taking down this twist, then start flat twisting my hair. So if you want to learn how to flat twist your hair perfectly without it loosening out or loosening by itself, keep on watching, okay? So guys, I've taken out the chunky twist and I'll be detangling my hair thoroughly. Let's get started. I'll be using this rat comb to part my hair and start flat twisting. Guys, if you want to make your parts to be perfect, that's left for you. As for me, my parts don't have to be perfect, okay? So I'm going to be putting this one away. So lovelies, if you want to make flat twist, you have to be working with two sections. You don't have to part your hair into three like when you are doing the normal cornrows. In this flat twist, you just have to divide your hair into two sections, and you also be working with your thumb and your index finger. So I don't know how I'm going to explain it to you guys, but if you watch this video till the end, you are going to learn how to flat twist your own hair. As you can see, I'm using my index finger to go in between the two sections of hair. Yeah, I'm using my index finger to go through it, and as I'm plaiting, I'm also collecting hair so that I can braid till the back. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So after that, I'll be using a little rubber band to secure the flat twist so that it doesn't loosen out. Then I will twist the remaining part of the hair till the tips. So that is basically what I am doing, and that is how to flat twist your own hair. You just have to work with your index finger and your thumb. Use your index finger to be separating the two parts, and as you are going, you are taking more hairs so that you can work your way to the back or to the end of your twist. So I noticed that the lighting inside the room is not that good, it's not bright at all, so I decided to come outside to show you guys how this hair is looking with a bright light. So guys, this is to show you that natural light is the best. Natural light is the best, guys. So as I'm outside now, you can see what I'm doing very clearly. I'm still using my index finger to go in between the two sections and drag out some hairs, and that is what I am doing continuously to get a flat twist. The secret is make sure you are not thinking of cornrows and also work with two sections of hair. Immediately you pick out two sections of hair, you will definitely start flat twisting your own hair. That is it, guys. So as you can see, after flat twisting, I use the rubber band to hold it before twisting the remaining part of the hair, so that the flat twist is not going to loosen by itself. So guys, you will notice that my hair is very puffy. That is because my hair is not that grown. My hair is not that long for flat twist. That is why it is. If it's a very long hair, and you are holding it tightly, it will really stay in place. But my hair is not that long. That is why it is a little bit puffy at the middle, because that is where the hair ended. That is where the large sum of hair from the front ended. I don't know if you guys understand. So guys, I'm done with the hair, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like, and also share this video. Also go to my other videos and watch. So I like to lay down my edges, and this is the final look. What do you guys think of this hairstyle? Is this what you're going to be trying out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.